Google Sheets is one of the easiest and most convenient spreadsheet editors to use. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can clean up your data in Google Sheets. So, Google Sheets has a few handy tools you can use to clean up data without actually having to go ahead and trim everything manually. So to do that, just head over to Data and click Data Cleanup. And now you can already see that it has remove duplicates and trim white spaces as the two options available. Now just click on Cleanup Suggestions. You can specify columns. You can say I want to clean up in just column B or just column C, because it will automatically detect where the data requires cleaning up. So for example, I can either choose all columns, or there is more empty space. As you can see with these exclamation points, that there are errors in these columns, and these are the columns that require cleaning up. So you can select an individual column. So let's say column B, and it already there is this white space here, and you can either choose to ignore it or you can trim it. I can go to column C, which is this column, and as you can see, I have white space in 3 different cells. So WC table 1. Now you can also select all columns and it will show you everything across the board. So you can choose to either go individually or trim all of them at once. So in this case, I'll go individually and click trim all, and that column is now cleared. Moving on, we can remove white space in column C as well. So I can go individually. I can see that this is a problem here. I can choose to ignore them, or I can just once again hit trim all, and all of my data is now cleaned. And that's how you can clean data in Google Sheets without having to do it manually. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.